How to add Vanilla Visa gift card to Xbox. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you the easiest way to add your Vanilla Visa gift card to your Xbox. So for that, just open your preferred browser and search for xbox.com, and you will be landed to the official website of the Microsoft Xbox. And after that, I'll show you the two ways to add your Vanilla Visa gift card. So in the first way, you can add your Vanilla Visa gift card while making a purchase for any of the product that you want to buy from Xbox. For example, any game. So while checking out from the order that you want to purchase, you will see the option for choose a way to pay, and there you will see the option to add a credit or debit card. So you have to click on credit or debit card, and now you will see the option to add your Visa card detail. And here you can add your Vanilla Visa card details like your Vanilla Visa gift card number and your cardholder name, the expiration date, and save the card details. And in the second way, all you can do is just go to your profile of your Xbox, and after that just click on the profile icon from the top right, and here you will see these two options, my Microsoft account and Xbox profile. So just click on my Microsoft account, and in this option you will be able to add your Vanilla Visa gift card while adding a payment method in your Microsoft account. So for that, just click on payment and billing option from the top menu, and here just go to payments option, and now scroll down and click on add a new payment method, and then click on credit or debit card. Now you have to enter your cardholder number, your card number, like your Vanilla Visa card number, your CVC number and expiration date, and your billing address with your PIN code and postal code, and then just click on save. So these are the two ways through which you can add your Vanilla Visa gift card to your Xbox account. I hope you find this video to be informative.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.